You know, like. Cause when I sit down and I walk and I take it and I talk, give me catching feelings. Cause when I sit down and I walk and I tick tock and I catching feelings. I come for this walk, sign me up. I come for this walk, sign me up. I come for this walk.
Hey Toni team, it's your girl Ari and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, you might as well subscribe because you're gonna love it here. So today I'm gonna be doing something different on my channel. I'm actually gonna be doing a wig review and install, okay? So the wig that I have today is actually synthetic because this is just a hairstyle that I want for a day. I really want it for like a week or so and I don't want to sleep with it. I just got a quick temporary style. So right now my hair is in box braids. I did it myself. So your girl is out here looking a hot mess, okay? So also I do the box braids because I need to give my hair a break from installs, weaves, and also it lets my scalp breathe. And also my hair is just too long to cornrow under a wig. So this is my hair right now. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, look, that's OD. I'm not cornrowing it. It's already crazy enough that I do this myself. Like, but yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So this is actually the wig that I have, y'all. It is, what is it called? Vice Unit 6. And it's like that, I don't even know, like that Beyonce blonde, like that honey blonde. It's like brown with honey blonde highlights. So yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. So I hope everybody is having a great 2025 despite, you know, all the craziness with the planes. It's just a lot going on, especially in America. Right? So what I'm gonna do is just take my braids, as weird as this sounds, I'm gonna just take my braids and braid them together. Like into like one big cornrow. Let me move some of this over so I can get it inside the braid that I'm doing. Okay. But this is literally what I do because the girls charge too much for install. And where I'm at, I don't like how they do hair. And it's also not worth it if it's just a temporary style for me. That's just me. Like my hair grows too fast to be spending $200, $250, $300 on an install, and I'm about to take that out in like 2 weeks. Ain't no way. Like I said, I would do my own install, but I needed a break. So yeah, I'm just gonna braid this all the way down. Alright, so now I have my two braids looking like Hansel and Gretel. Alright, so now we're ready for the next step. So I'm going to twist and tuck them into each other. This is like weird to explain. Usually I tuck it in way more than that, but I'm only going to be wearing this hair for like a day or two. So now I'm gonna take my HD wig cap. Oh, she long. She long, okay.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something.
So let's see, I'm not even gonna fix my cap. I'm not even gonna add no makeup on her. So see what it looks like straight out the package. Like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all see this, it's not even straight. Do y'all see this, right? Your girl look like Beyonce.
Because all of my friends that know me tell me that I remind them of Beyonce. So you
can stop. But ooh, she is long, honey. I'm feeling this. So, alright. Now I'm gonna put my makeup on the cap. this back. Look like Double D from Ed, Edd n Eddy. Like, I'm only putting it in the middle because, as y'all see, I got a middle part. I got me a bust down middle part. Alright, then I'm gonna take the makeup and y'all see it's like a T-part wig. I'm going to use my ORS Wig Gel Grip because this right here is not gonna irritate your edges, okay? Like, I have thick edges. I understand everybody doesn't have thick edges, but also just for when I want to give my hair a break. I'm just making a line like right before my hairline with the gel, like a thin one. You can do up to 3 layers, but I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just doing 1 layer. So I'm placing a wig on my head, and then let's see. I'm gonna cut it into 3 sections to make it easier for the wig to lay down. So right here is gonna be the first section, and then
So as y'all can see, I have the Velcro strap of the band in the front, and that's because I didn't want the strap to get caught onto the fibers of the hair in the back of my head. Yeah, so y'all just gonna see that sticking out. Now I went ahead and added some makeup on the part. It was too zoomed in so y'all can't see, but I'm basically just using a thin makeup brush, like an eyebrow kind of brush, and I put that on the part.
So now it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see what it's getting.
I'm gonna use some good old Got2b since we not using Eben products anymore. So I basically went and put that on like my sideburn. So I have the blow dryer on low, and I'm just pressing down and applying pressure at the same time to get that tacky layer going. And yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side.
I'm not gonna lie, they had cut baby hairs in this unit already, but I don't really know how I feel about baby hairs. I think I'm just rocking with this right now. So I'm gonna take some makeup and I'm gonna put it like on the edges of the lace. So these are the baby hairs that they have on the wig already. But I think I'm just gonna leave it. I actually like it without the baby hairs. So how long is this? I think this is like 30. This gotta be at least like 36 inches for the simple fact, look, like goes all the way down to my butt, and I'm about like 5'4", like 5'4.5". So 1 through 10, I give this wig a 10 in terms of the style. Like the lace is very good, the lace is very soft. It's not hard, and it's not like, you know, sometimes the lace, even when you put makeup on it, is still white. I don't know how to explain it. The lace was very easy to be tinted with makeup or spray. I really like these two, like, I don't even know what to call this, like the highlights in the front. And then the hair, even though it's synthetic, it looks and it feels human. But of course, I wouldn't sleep with it. Like, I feel like, you know, once you go to sleep with it, it's gonna get tangled. Like, it is synthetic hair. But that being said, it is smooth and it looks really good. It looks really good. I think I paid about, what, 27? Put it online, because usually when you buy the synthetic wigs, like in the store, they try to charge way more than it really is. But yeah, in terms of heat, I don't know, because I didn't put heat on it because I didn't want to take out the crimps. I didn't even use a curl on it because I don't want to take out the crimps. I'm gonna just rock the crimps until they kind of fall on its own. But for right now, I'm really feeling this. I give them, I would say, a 6 for the baby hair because of how they cut it, because everybody's frame of their face is different. But I mean, it looks natural, but I'm not in a baby hair mood right now. Maybe another day, but not today, not today. But yes, I definitely give this a 10 because you can wear this straight out the box. Y'all see I didn't do too much and I'm ready to go. Y'all see I had that face beat, but I was looking a hot mess. No, I'm not. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more wig reviews, just comment down below what wig and how you want to see it styled. If you like this video, I'm pretty sure that you'll also want to check out my natural hair care. So just be sure to check out that playlist. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yo, which girl can say she stress me out? That a fucking clown. Cause if her man saying broke, she have to do it out. And if she school, she get a box on her dirty mouth. But